Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while coding in Java, specifically with jUnit and the Hamcrest library? If you have, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot why your assertions might not be working as expected. I totally understand how confusing it can be when your code doesn't behave the way you anticipate. You're not alone in this. Many developers run into similar issues, especially when asserting values in tests. Here's the specific question we have today. A user wants to assert that an actual value, the first argument in the Assert That method, does not equal two specified values, bad and good. They want the test to pass only if the actual value is neither bad nor good. Sounds tricky, right? Let's unpack this. To understand the issue, let's break down their code. The user's current assertion looks like this: assert that with the not and all of methods. However, the test is passing even when the value is equal to good. Let's find out why this happens. Stay tuned. By the end of this video, I'll reveal the correct way to assert that a value is not equal to both specified values. It's a game changer for your testing framework. To assert that a value is not equal to both specified values, the user should use the Hamcrest library's matchers effectively. First, they need to use the not matcher combined with any of instead of all of. Next, the user should replace the current assertion in their test method with this new assertion. This will ensure that the test fails if the actual value is either bad or good. Now, the user should run the test again. If the actual value is either bad or good, the test should fail as expected. Finally, the user can add additional test cases to ensure that their assertion works correctly for various inputs. This will help confirm the robustness of their tests. Did you know the term assert comes from the Latin word assertus, meaning to affirm or maintain? In programming, it helps us affirm that our code is behaving as it should. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simpler approach. They recommend ensuring that the actual value, when turned into a one-element set, isn't contained in an expected collection. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using a simple assertion. They recommend checking if the value you are testing is not equal to both bad and good using a logical AND condition. Here's an additional tip. Always check if your assertions are set up to handle edge cases. This can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to assert that a value is not equal to two specified values in jUnit using Hamcrest. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips.